Chandigarh's iconic rock garden, a symbol of creativity and heritage, is now caught in the crossfire between development and conservation. A section of its outer wall is being demolished and relocated as part of a road widening project aimed at easing congestion near the Punjab and Haryana High Court. The move, directed by the court, has triggered a public outcry, with citizens accusing the administration of dismantling Nek Chand's artistic legacy. The Chandigarh administration, however, has defended its actions, stating that the affected wall is not an integral part of the rock garden, but rather an enclosure built around adjoining forest land. Officials claim that the wall is being relocated, not demolished, and that a new wall replicating the original design will be built to maintain the aesthetic and cultural integrity of the site. Now, despite these assurances, protests continue, with residents arguing that the project sets a dangerous precedent for encroaching on cultural landmarks. Many feel that on Nek Chand's birth centenary year, his masterpiece deserves preservation, not modification.
We cannot sacrifice the heritage for the cost of the urbanization. If we find that in the whole scenario, for many years, no effort has been made to curtail the number of vehicles or the ever-increasing population. Alternatives have not been thought of. This is the most easiest way the administration is going on. They should have thought of underpass or the flyover or the alternative site to park the vehicles.
ये बिल्कुल बात जायज़ नहीं है, क्योंकि जो नेकचंद जी ने अपने खुद खड़े होकर इस चीज़ को बनवाया, और वो रॉक गार्डन का हिस्सा कैसे नहीं हो सकता। और ये बात अलग है कि वो यहाँ पे इसको पूरा नहीं कर सके, अपने टाइम में उनको डेवलप नहीं कर सके। प्लानिंग उनकी बहुत थी, डिमोलिशन तो ठीक नहीं है। वो वहाँ से मुझे तो डर है कि वो सामान है कहाँ, क्या वहाँ पे सेफ है या उसको मिट्टी में दबा दिया गया है।
The iconic place of Chandigarh Rock Garden is facing the bulldozer of UT administration, Chandigarh. The orders have come in place by Punjab and Haryana High Court, and right now I am right beside this wall that you can see, the iconic rock garden wall, which is facing the UT administration bulldozers, and citizens are actually not quite happy about the same. So a lot of protests have recently been organized. Sunday also we saw that a lot of protests were seen at this place, where they tried to raise their arms up and try to stop the bulldozers from demolishing this place. So the order came in order to, the order has come in order to make up space for the car parking, which you can see in the visuals that this is the wall of the rock garden which has been demolished, and even the trees on the either sides are also being cut down, following by a directive which has been given by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. It is a part of road widening project for creation of additional parking space and the traffic congestion which takes place. I'll ask my cameraman to zoom in some visuals, and you can see that there is Punjab and Haryana High Court, and people face a lot of difficulty while parking their vehicles.
Well, that's all in this edition. News and updates continue here on Mirror Now. Thanks for watching.